Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and add an account on Proton Authenticator. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and add a account on your Proton Authenticator, simply go ahead and open the account that you want to go ahead and have a two-step verification code on. So for example, if you have your Google account that you want to set up a Authenticator app on, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Google and then go to manage your account and then set up two-factor authentication. There's going to be Authenticator app. So if I go ahead and click on create new code on my Proton Authenticator, as you can see, I've loaded up the Authenticator app on Google. So instead of waiting for text messages, get verification code from an Authenticator app, just click on setup Authenticator, and then you can simply go ahead and scan the QR that is going to be shown. And once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and add the account to your Proton. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.